everybody, to Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make pineapple chili chicken. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 2 chicken breast fillets here. I'd say roughly it's around 500 grams all up. So what we're going to do first is cube these. So we just want to cut them into cubes like that. Okay, so just like so. I'll set that aside. And just going to bring it across a small bowl. And into the bowl we're going to add in 1 egg white. And to our egg white we'll add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And we'll just whisk this together. And all we're going to do is add in our chicken straight in. We just want to toss that around, get our chicken nice and coated. Just like so. Okay, so we're going to make our sauce now. So just into a bowl here, I'm going to add in half a cup of pineapple juice. And to this we'll add about 1 cup of sweet chili sauce. And I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of corn flour. And we're just going to whisk this all together until it's nice and smooth. Okay, and that's looking pretty good. Okay, so we'll prepare the rest of our ingredients now. So first we'll bring 1 brown onion. And all I'm going to do with our onion is just finely slice it. If you prefer, you can dice it, but I think sliced just looks better. Next we'll need 1 yellow and 1 red capsicum. We'll slice those through the middle, take out the seed, take out those excess seeds. And all we want to do with our capsicum is dice it. Just like so. Alright, so let's move on to our stove. Okay guys, so just into a large pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 5 tablespoons of oil. Okay guys, so once that oil's nice and hot, we're going to get our chicken and start carefully adding it in. Don't go adding it all at once because it's going to drop your pan temperature. So guys, all we want to do is fry our chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes on all sides. And we want to get it nice and golden brown. Okay guys, so that's looking pretty good. So at this point, we're going to add in our onion and our capsicum. Alright, so at this point I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. So I'm just going to add in 1 cup of sliced pineapple now. And we're going to add in our sweet chili sauce mixture. And just stir that through. And all we're going to do is cook this for about 2 minutes on a medium to high heat, just to let that sauce thicken up nicely. Alright, so after about 2 minutes, as you can see, our sauce is nice and thickened up, which is what we want. So let's go ahead and turn the heat off. And let's go ahead and serve. Alright, and there we have it. Just look at those beautiful colors. And let's finish it off with some sliced spring onions. And how beautiful is that? Okay guys, and that was my take on pineapple chili chicken. Let's give it a try. It's a perfect blend of sweet and spicy. You can feel the spice, but it's not hot enough to actually burn your tongue. It's just right. I'll see you all next time.